support for this vlog streaming. This is actually our first for today. So again, City Panalong Festival. This festival will run from starting today until March 25, only here at Gateway Cineplex 18. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge the parents of AD, Tito Glenn, Tito Grace. Hello. Thank you for joining our vlog streaming. And of course, I'd like to acknowledge Direct Jill. Let's be Direct Jill. Yeah, and of course, Katie here. Just a reminder to everyone, please hold on to your tickets. I was advised by Cine Panalo na you can go to Gateway Mall, to Cinema Mall, and I think they have some grocery items there for all of us. So just present the tickets, and then you get, I think, like a bag full of groceries. They're open until 12 midnight. So after the vlog streaming, you just proceed there. Okay? So, okay, without further ado, I'd like to call in Direct. You want to say something first? Before we start?
Direct Jill.
Yeah.
Una-una, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Sobrang bahala na. Sana po may matuwa kayo sa ginawa namin munting pelikula. At ako po, sobra po yung kasiyahan ko sa pelikula namin, sa nagawa namin. And I would like to congratulate personally Katie! Nomination na Best Actor. And of course, Jameson. And of course, Alexa Ilacad, Best Supporting Actress. And Kira. Congratulations everyone. Katie.
Yun po. Hello po everybody. Okay ba kayo ba? Okay, grabe, hindi ko po alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Pero, yeah, gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat sa inyo, sweethearts and solids dito. Thank you so much. Kasi, first movie ko to na lead ako, and I'm so thankful that...
Yes!
Parang ngayon pa lang nag-sink in kasi habang nag-film kami, hindi ko naiisip kasi napapagod kami and napupuyat kami. Pero grabe, we have a movie! We have a movie, guys! Yes. And I'm so thankful. So thankful for every single one of you in this cinema tonight. Sana may enjoy nyo po. And sorry if Alexa wasn't able to make it. She has liwanag sa dilim. Understandable naman. Support din natin siya dyan. And of course, yeah, thank you. Thank you all so much to my family, to my friends, and of course to you, sweethearts and so on. Thank you. Love you guys. Enjoy natin ang collab. Directed by Silver Daneta. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sana may pabeso.
Tito Glenn, si Direk, tsaka si KD.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, nasa kabila. Okay. Ayun. Okay. Thank you so much. Wow, okay. Hindi ko na panood yung endings at nagpasalamat din ako sa kabila. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Well, thank you Pure Gold. Thank you Direct Jill for this opportunity. Thank you for the nomination. And thank you din sa inyo, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your never-ending support. And on behalf of Alexa Ilacad, who I wish was here, pero tinext ko siya kanina, sabi niya pagod na siya, so I'll just let her rest. Pero thank you guys so much. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. At yeah, thank you. Thank you. Sana na-enjoy talaga. Thank you. Ay, picture tayo? Yeah, picture tayo. Tara. Raise your hearts. Taas na yung mga...
Sorry, may request the ones at the back to please come forward, but I will have one big picture. Please hold on to the hand, what's that, hand banners? The collab hand banners. And then KD in the middle.
Jao! Jao! Kanibor!
Tayo ka na lang, Kate.
here. Please hold on to the hand runners, please. Request everyone to the back. Let's compress everyone.
Pababain mo sila natin ba?
And then yung hearts LED lights natin, please also forward. Direct Jill, Chris Franz, thank you for joining us. Thank you po. Guys, manood kayo. Kahit paulit-ulit starting tomorrow hanggang March 21, please watch School Up. And support sa screening para na sponsored ng Sweethearts. Again, maraming salamat po.
Picture lang po tayo. Wait lang po, wag po na.
Also, I'd like to thank the Sweethearts who flew from Panay, right? And lahat ng Sweethearts na uwi pa from Davao, from Panay. Those who traveled from all the way from down south to Manila, thank you so much for joining us.
Akin na lang po muna yung ano, bibigyan niyo.
Alexa.
Wait lang po. At hawakan mo nga itong isa. Bibigay ko ng
And also, we have free snacks and water for those na hindi nakakuha. Marami pa po kaming pastries and water. Please, kumuha lang po kayo outside. Thank you.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Para maayos tayo. Para maayos po tayo. Form na po kayo. Tapos mababay naman kami. Maayos na kami. Sabi niya Hawak mo pa ano yung mali kasi okay po, next po. Next day sa kanila. Niya po.
Thank you.
Okay, next po. Okay. Next po. Huwag mo nang bata. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay po. Okay, next po. Kami muna. Last na. 1, 2, 3.
Remind ko lang, for those who watch,
Okay
please,
po. Next naman.
don't spoil the story of the movie. Lang kayo para let's encourage all the cast and viewers to watch the movie again. It will run here from March 14 to 25, only here at Cineplex 18.
Thank you. Thank you. Teka lang po, wait lang po. Game 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. Okay, kanino po ito? Aray ko. Spread. Baka kayo wait lang po. Game. Thank you para sabi kay Ems. Kanino ba to? Ito yon. Okay, game. Dito na po tingin. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. O, kanino pa to? Isa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay na po. Next po. Next. Pila po kayo para. Ate, next na. Dali na. Gutom na si Katie. Oh.
Thank you.
Next po, next. 1, 2. Okay na po. O, next po. Kanino cellphone to? Okay, nanay. Okay na po. Next group picture na po. Wag po solo-solo na. Ang dami po natin. Hindi po. Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next po.
Thank you so much.
Bumi tayo. Paano tayo din? At M! Okay. Ay, sila muna. Game. Okay, sumama ka na. Game 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay po. Next po. Hanik ka na. Okay, sa amin. M! Dito ka. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. Okay po, next po. Thank you.
Nanay po.
Next. Ay, sorry. Okay po, next. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, sige, sila na. Okay.
Sa kabila ka, Bi. Sa kabila ka.
Dito ka na, dito sa kabila. 1, 2, 3. Okay po, next po. Next. Asan cellphone dito?
Paging pink.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, kasama ka ba? Sige, 1, 2, 3. Okay po, next.
Pink. Paging pink. I'm here. Pink, I'm here.
Nasaan yung nanay nito? Sumama ka na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay po, next po. Eto na. Nasa akin na lang ah. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3.
Nalagay ko sa pagputo ah.
Yes, ma'am lang. Sige. Next po, next. Sino po?
Panatan daw. Thank you.
Pwede na?
Oh, next.
Ayan na. Dito. Yung iba sa kabila. Wait lang ako sa kabila.
O, dito po kayo para balance. Okay, game. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. KD dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay po.
Thank you.
Sa 20.
Yes, yes. Oh, bukas.
Okay, game.
Wala sa sila.
1, 2, 3. Okay po.
Thank you so much.
Next cellphone, ayaw nyo na.
Go na, sino po wala?
Game, 1, 2, 3. Okay na po. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Go.